In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a group chat on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. A group chat lets you message multiple people at once. Start by tapping the home screen icon in the bottom left, and then simply tap on the little paper airplane or messenger icon in the top right hand corner to open up your messages. It'll take you to a screen that looks something like this, and what you're going to want to do is in the top left hand corner hit this little create message button right here, and it's going to pop up with a few different options. Up at the very top there's going to be a group chat. You just need to select on that and then choose the people that you want to add to this group chat. And once you choose the people that you're planning on adding, you can also give your group a name. Now, you just need to simply hit create chat down at the bottom, and it's going to load for a second, and look, you've now created a new group. You can send whatever message you want in here and you'll be good to go. But yeah, that's it. You've now made that group chat on Instagram. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.